Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to what is going to be a new product review, which is going to be of Ammo's brushes and tool organizer. Nice simple one for us here, really sort of easy. I just want to sort of get out and sort of show you so you can see the kind of quality. So in the box, nicely sort of packaged, we get it out, and basically what we have here is a bit of MDF. I do like how they do sort of, I don't know, maybe laminate it or spray it or something just to give it that little bit of an extra touch. But it is really, really easy to construct, right? So I can actually, it's so easy to construct, I can actually just show you right here, right now. Simply put that piece in there. We have just here a smaller hole, rectangle and a bigger rectangle. The bigger rectangle goes first. Slot that on there. Over here we can then just pop this just in there. So easy. Come along with the next one, pop that in there. Right, now obviously as you construct yours, you're going to glue it, you know, PVA glue, CA glue, your glue of your choice really. I'll probably might go down the PVA glue route, because I find CA glue, because it's kind of can be quite brittle and it just kind of cracks, whereas PVA glue's got a bit of movement to it. But yeah, there it is, all nicely done. As you can see, we can put absolutely loads and loads of paintbrushes. Well, actually, I mean, we probably shouldn't put an AK interactive paintbrush in there, but yeah, we can put loads and loads of paintbrushes in there. We've got all sorts of different sizes for all sorts of paintbrushes. I mean, I might not be able to get my big scenery brush in. Well, we sort of get it in, but you know, not comfortably. But yeah, we can get some nice paintbrushes in there, absolutely loads. It does show on the actual box here that if you buy two, you can put them back to back. But really, at the end of the day, it looks like it's a good construction. Looks like it's going to hold a load of paintbrushes. I forgot what the price was now. Yeah, it was about €9, whatever that is in pounds in US, but not a bad price actually. Really, it's just a really nice looking, kind of very different, looks like a bullet. It's you know, Ammo products and everything, so it is what it is. It just holds paintbrushes really nicely, nice and cheap, and looks rather cool. So definitely a big thumbs up here at Genesis Models for this product. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, but until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.